Hi, families. I hope that you had a fantastic weekend and that you were able to unplug and just relax and spend lots of family time. I know for me, when I left school, I just felt I needed to step away from the computer just to rest my eyes. And so hopefully the kids got to do that as well and are ready to dive in to our first full week of remote learning. So here's what Monday will look like. So the kids will have these slides posted again in our Google Classroom, and this will have all the activities. So they're going to watch our math lesson today, and we are going to be subtracting from the thousands. So they're going to be talking about ungrouping and making new groups with those ungrouping. So I know that sounds really goofy, but they will do a great job with that. And they're going to need their big math book and their homework and remembering book. And then when we meet for small groups, they're going to need their whiteboards and a marker. Then in writing today, we are going to continue working on our drafts. So if they have finished their drafts, which a lot of them said on Friday that they did, they can then go into Google and our classroom and find the link, and most of them have started in it already, and are continuing to type their stories, their drafts. So they're going to type that so then we can revise and edit later this week. In reading, they're going to be watching our next reading lesson with Miss Lizzie, our co-teacher, and she is going to be teaching them about improving their theories about their books and their characters and their thoughts and ideas, and watching for specific traits and emotions to prove that. And so they're going to be stopping and jotting about their own books. Then they can go ahead and for word study, they are going to be choosing an activity in their packet and working on that. If they get done with it pretty quick, then they can play a game on Spelling City for Sort 6. Then in social studies, there's going to be a short video for them, and we are going to be taking all of that research we did on our region, and we are going to be putting it into a slideshow. So let me show you what that looks like. So the kids are going to Google Classroom, and they're going to see an assignment that says Wisconsin Region Slideshow. And if they go up to their classwork as well, they can find it in there. It's going to be in the remote learning section. And I've pulled mine up already, so because I won't be able to show you the kids. So this is what it'll look like, just if you're noticing or they ask for help. So they are going to be following this template. So they'll put their region here and their name, and then they'll type in about its location and the vocabulary, all the pieces from their research sheet, that bright orange one, about the landforms and waterways, and some fun facts. Now, the great part is about this is that they can go in and add some pictures from their region. And I will record a short video for the kids and how to do that in case they forget. But they are going to be using insert image and image from the web instead of going onto Google and clicking and pasting, because this will help us really just make sure we're on appropriate pictures. So that's what they'll be doing today, and they'll also be working on it tomorrow as well. So this is a Monday, Tuesday project. Um, yeah, so hopefully that answers questions about that. We will still be meeting in our small groups, so can't wait to see the whole class at 8:30 tomorrow morning, and then at 9:15 and 9:30 for math if they're signed up for today. And then we have our writing groups and our reading groups, and then our end of the day meet, and we'll read the next chapter from Tiger Rising. Mrs. Crab will also be popping in to our Google Meet to say hello and check in with the kids. So that will be super fun. I will be home working from home today because the kids asked if I move this way. Kids asked to see the cats, my cats. So I love it. So I will be home today working from here. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email. I will be glad to answer. I hope you had a great weekend and you're ready for a fantastic Monday.